So guys, this is how to fix NBA 2K downloading asset request stop on 95%. So if you are facing this problem, then this is how to fix it. First of all, go to your phone menu. Then after that, what you have to do is to scroll and try to find for your phone settings. So when you find your phone settings, just tap on it. So guys, let's try to search for our phone settings. It seems it's going to be around this place. So when you find it, tap on it to open it. Then after that, tap on apps and notification. So after tapping on the apps and notifications, you're going to see it's loading over here. So after loading, you're going to see a certain option which is see all apps. So what you have to do is to tap on it. So guys, let's wait while it's loading. So now tap on the see all apps whilst it has been appeared. So now it's going to load and you're going to see all your app listed over here. So now we have to search in for NBA 2K app. So in this video I'll be using a demo app to replace NBA 2K app. So when you search NBA 2K app, when it appears like this, just tap on it. Then after that, what you have to do is to tap on force stop, then you tap on OK. After tapping on force stop and OK, tap on permissions and make sure every permission is allowed. Then after that, go back, tap on storage and cache, clear the cache off, NBA 2K. Then after that, go back, then make sure you click on mobile data and Wi-Fi or mobile data and restrictions on other phones. Then after that, make sure the background data is toggled on. After doing all this, what you have to do is to go to Google Play Store to update the app. So after updating the app, what you have to do is to tap on your power button for some while, tap on restart, then you tap on OK. Thank you very much for watching this video, and this is how to fix downloading asset requires stop on 95% on NBA 2K app. See you in the next one.